I found stuff over here. There's more down.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess I just spin around.
Well then, thank you everybody who has been here. Keegan, be less weird. That'd be cool.
I don't think I can make a noise that high pitch. The final boss of all existence, the IRS.
I'm tinkling in my tingle tights.
Ah! Oh, Luigi's so fucking attractive.
Ah! Be right back. Pee time. Come out. Fuck. And yeah, until next time.
Okay, let's go. Keegan's on awesome. He's got a little song because he's so good at game. Keegan's got a song and it's making him a... I just have Tingle in my mind right now. Oh, maybe he's kind of... No, Keegan. Ah! The only accent I can do is just... Sorry, I hate when people eat on stream. So, I'm really sorry. If you hear crunching, I am just at a chiropractor. Oh my god. Oh. Right back into place. Oh, yeah. I am a tortilla chip. Look at that. We have made it to... We have made it to the dungeon.
Here we go. Talk more.
Hallelujah!
That's awesome.
Okay, let's see what moves we can go to now. Okay.
I'm having a trip! I'm having a trip! The acorn! Yes, nut inside of me. I thought I went into all these houses, but I never found a chef. Oh, cough directly into my mouth. Yeah, you don't know which way I'm gonna be. No! Sometimes you just need a good booyah. No. Appreciate you guys all so much. I'm gonna take a couple more bites of my chippies and salsi, and then I'm gonna put Paper Mario on my butt cheeks. I'm going to do it.
Honestly, that's like a third of our quota already, so that's fine. Oh my god.
Yes.
Anyway.
Crispy, that's cool.
On my